What am I buying during this economic downturn? What stocks am I interested in getting, or what have I bought? A little bit of that is coming up after this. So guys, I wanted to continue talking about some of the financial challenges that you might face in navigating finances in your 20s. But I really thought with everything going on, I should make a video about this economic downturn or this economic crisis it seems that we're in. It seems to be all over. So if you've been living under a rock, you know that there's this thing called the coronavirus going on, and it's been weighing down the markets the last couple of weeks. I wasn't too concerned about this. It seemed to be kind of something that was just a little bit of fear in the markets or uncertainty, which always seems to drive prices down. But now it's a bit of a 1-2 punch where we've got the virus weighing down the economy plus this issue between OPEC and Russia, and now Russia is going to be producing a bunch of extra oil, and that sort of took the carpet out from under the price of oil, and that's just kind of like tanked the economy now even further. So what am I doing in this economic crisis? Well, not too much. I did make a couple purchases of stocks, but to be honest, my margin account with Questrade, where I keep all my individual stocks in different companies there, I don't really share too much of that because I'm still learning a little bit. I didn't want to share any of that until I had something good for you guys, but because of the situation, the main message I'm going to have in this video is just to keep doing what you're doing. If you're younger and you've got a long runway ahead of you and you're now used to making your regular contributions to these portfolios, continue doing so. Consider this being like a Black Friday sale for stocks now. Before we get any further, I should say I'm not a financial planner. I don't have any certification in this. I'm just sharing what I'm doing right now in this situation. As you guys know, I am heavily invested in VSP.to. That ETF fell about 7% today, as did the stock market. When the virus was first taking its toll, in this other account that I have where I bought individual stocks of different companies, I've managed to grow that account over time. When I saw the prices start to go down, I actually made a couple of purchases. I bought Air Canada because it was hit pretty hard by the coronavirus. I bought it at $42. It's now fallen even further to $33. Before all of this, it was at $49. I also wanted to get into some stocks that paid dividends, so I bought Royal Bank at $104. It was down about 2 or 3% at the time. Now it's fallen even further to $97.50. But I'm not upset about this. I'm going to hold on to these for some time. That my plan isn't to just like buy and flip these stocks. So what I thought was a good price before, there are now even better prices. With VSP.to, I'm going to keep buying on a regular basis and just averaging down on my purchase price. And eventually when this market comes back, I should come back even stronger. So I'll share with you why I'm not panicked yet. There seems to be a history, whether it is avian flu or swine flu, but when the economy is hit by these types of infections and they start to spread all over the world and people get scared, the economy always goes down. But 12 months after we hit the bottom, or the infection seems to be resolved or stop spreading, the economy always seems to bounce back within 12 months or so. Again, I'll leave a link to all of this in an article that I found kind of summarizes all of this. But essentially what I'm saying is this is short-lived. Right now, there is a sale on stocks. If you have some cash lying around and you have some time to wait for the market to come back, I would look at putting it into the economy. That's what I'm going to do. I hope it works out for you guys, but I know that I still have time for the market to recover, so I'm not panicking just yet. So what happens, worst case scenario, if this thing continues to keep going? Well, if the virus spreads to the entire world and starts to wipe out the human race, which would be the worst case scenario, well, I'm not going to need this money anyway. I would be better off having supplies of toilet paper and hand sanitizer. So at this point, I feel like it's a no-brainer. I'm just gonna kind of sit and wait and probably invest. The biggest thing to take away if you are young and starting to invest is just don't panic in this situation. This is totally normal. Market corrections happen often. You'll see this many times, and the biggest thing is just to continue investing regularly. Hopefully guys, that makes you feel a little bit better. Sorry for this super quick video and it's kind of rough, but I really felt it was important to sort of share my thoughts about this news and what I'm doing. If you guys want to see more detail of my accounts and what I'm investing in, help me out, help me get some more subs. If we can get this channel to 100 subs, I will open up one of my accounts and share the dollar value and what I'm investing in and what I bought some of these funds for. So until next time, have a safe week, spread the wealth, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.